15 best first date tips. Now, that first date can be an exciting, anxious, exhilarating, and nerve-wracking. You want to make a great impression. Make sure you take the onus
Hey, Bella.
of planning the date.
It's nice to see you.
Here's the thing. When you're first getting to know each other, you might not know what you want to do. Asking her what she wants to do and her asking you what you want to do, that is the worst.
It's strong and it's sudden and it's cruel sometimes, but it might just save your life. That's the power of love. When it gets hold of you, and with a little love from above, you feel the power. Feel the power of love. Can you feel it?
Here's the best way to get revenge on a woman who's rejected you. I know you guys have all been there, I've been there myself. The best thing that you can do is nothing else. Instead, it is to want to be respectful